This car doesn't just belong to us. It belongs to our grandfather. For years, it sat here, forgotten, silent, slowly being eaten away by rust and time. This BMW E30 was once his pride. The car he drove every morning, the car he washed every Sunday, the car that carried our family through countless memories. Back then, this wasn't just metal and rubber. It was freedom, it was achievement, it was a dream on four wheels. But life moves fast, time changes everything. After our grandfather passed away, the car was parked inside this old warehouse. Days turned into months, months turned into years. Dust covered the paint, tires went flat, rust began to creep in. People told us to sell it. Some said it wasn't worth saving. Others laughed and called it scrap. But we couldn't let it end like this. When we first walked toward the car, the silence was heavy. Every step closer revealed more damage. The paint was peeling, the headlights were fogged, the interior smelled of age and neglect. Yet somehow, it still felt alive, like it was waiting. We placed our hands on the hood, and for a moment, it felt like touching the past. Pushing the car wasn't easy. The wheels resisted, just like the memories flooding back. Each sound of metal scraping the floor felt painful, but also necessary. This wasn't just moving a car. This was the beginning of a second life. We chained it carefully and pulled it toward the workshop. Slowly, respectfully, almost like guiding an old friend home. Once inside, the real story began. The first inspection showed us the truth. Rust had eaten into the body. The engine bay was covered in grime. Hoses were cracked, bolts were seized. The interior was torn, faded, and brittle. Years of neglect had taken their toll. But we didn't see damage. We saw potential. Disassembly was emotional. Every bolt removed felt like peeling back a layer of history. The engine came out piece by piece. The body panels were removed. The chassis stood bare, exposed, honest. This car had nothing left to hide. Rust removal was brutal. Sparks flew as we cut away decay. We treated the metal, reinforced weak points, and slowly brought strength back to the bones of this machine. It wasn't quick, it wasn't easy, but restoration never is. The engine rebuild was where the heart returned. Cylinder by cylinder, component by component, the inline six was cleaned, measured, rebuilt, and respected. New seals, fresh gaskets, restored components brought back to factory-level precision. This engine once carried our grandfather across cities. Now, it was ready to breathe again. The interior restoration felt personal. The seats were reupholstered, stitched carefully to match the original design. The dashboard was restored, not replaced. The steering wheel, worn smooth by decades of hands, was cleaned and preserved. Even the smallest details mattered, because this wasn't about perfection. It was about authenticity. Then came the paint. Watching fresh paint flow over the body was like watching time reverse. The dull, lifeless shell transformed into something elegant again. Under the lights, the BMW's classic lines returned. Reflections danced across the surface. For the first time in years, the car looked proud. Reassembly was the final chapter. Every component returned to its place with purpose. Suspension tightened, brakes renewed, wiring checked and secured, fluids filled. The car slowly became whole again, not as a museum piece, but as a living machine. And then came the moment we were waiting for. The first start. The key turned. A brief pause. Then the engine came to life. That sound wasn't just mechanical. It was emotional. It was proof that some things are never truly lost. They're just waiting to be restored. Rolling the BMW out of the workshop felt surreal. Sunlight hit the paint. The wheels turned smoothly. The car that was once abandoned now stood reborn. This wasn't just a restoration. It was a tribute to our grandfather, to memories that refused to fade, to the belief that some cars are more than machines. If you ever wonder whether something old is worth saving, remember this BMW. Because sometimes, restoring a car means restoring a piece of your soul. Welcome back to MotriX.